Heaven help a fool who falls in love. Ophelia, you've been on my mind, girl, since the flood.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable judges, teachers, my beloved friends, and audience. First of all, let's thank to Allah, who has been giving us some mercies and blessings. Secondly, may salawat and salam be with our Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has guided us from the darkness to lightness in the world as well as in hereafter. Before I deliver my speech, let me introduce myself first. My name is Khalisa Humaira. I am 10 years old. I am student of elementary school 3 Mekarsari. Today, I want to deliver my speech under the title, Why Always Plastic? Plastic is widely used everywhere these days, from households to supermarkets. Plastic is found everywhere. People use plastic because it is convenient to use and cheap. We all know that plastic waste takes a long time to decompose. It can take up to 1,000 years to decompose in the landfills. 2 million plastic bags are used every day worldwide, and there are few types of plastic that are not recyclable. Because of that, every year nearly 1.1 million birds and animals are being killed by plastic. So, say no to plastic single use. That's all my speech. I do apologize if there are some mistakes in my speaking. I hope there is benefit for us, especially for me as speaker. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.